let's go ahead and take a look at the Fracino Retro. This machine is a commercial-grade lever machine. It is both simple yet elegant, and fully capable of producing both quantity and quality when it comes to espresso in your coffee shop. Fracino is one of the only companies that makes an espresso machine also capable of running off-grid via propane. This line of the Fracino Retro is called the LPG unit, allowing it to have perfect capabilities for your coffee cart or coffee truck. The Fracino Retro contains a 14-liter boiler, making it perfect to provide espresso shots all day long. The extra long steam wands make steaming milk easier than ever, and Fracino is known for their excellent microfoam. The nice thing about commercial industry-grade machines is their simple and straightforward maintenance. Head over to ShilohCoffeeSupply.com to get your Fracino Retro machine today.